So now let's see how we can rearrange column size inside of Google Sheets. So here you can see that I have a data, and let's say I want to rearrange the column size. Let's say, for example, the symbol number column is large, so I want to resize this out. So in order to do that, I can select this out right here, select the column by clicking on the column letter, that is A, and then I can click and drag this little thing right here until the size I want, and then it's been resized. Similar to this one as well, this one as well, and so forth. I can do the same with the rows as well. I can click and drag the rows according to how I like it, but it is not uniform, as you can see. If you want to uniformly work around with the size, you can select all of the columns by clicking and dragging it all, and then you can click and drag the column size, and you can see that everything like just go around and resizes in uniform manner. You can see that if I were to resize this, all of the size follow out. Similar with the rows right here as well. So if I want to go around over here, so if I want to work around with the rows, I can click and drag this out, and the rows resize according to this one as well. You want to resize everything, you can select this one, and then you can use this to resize all the column all at once as well, and it'll affect out the whole sheet. So now another thing that you can do is auto resize them all. So you can go around and select the 4 columns. And if I were to go around and double click, what happens is that it utilizes the space automatically and detects how much data there is, and then resizes the columns accordingly as well. And you can go around and then resize it further down as well. So similarly, you can resize it according to the where you want. So let's say I want more space for the product, and this is what I have. So I want more space for name. So I'm just going to click and drag this out, and this is what I have, as you can see. And that is how you can rearrange the column and row space inside of Google Sheets. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.